everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good, being safe in such a crazy time. Today I thought I'll just sit down, grab a cup of coffee and do a chit chat video with you guys. I know it's been long that I have done one, so I thought just to give you a little bit update about my life, what's going on, and yeah, so let's get started. It's almost end of summer here. Actually the fall has already started. It's been little chilly in Toronto at night mainly, but it's still not that bad, so no complaint whatsoever. So as you guys might have already know that I have started looking some house options in GTA, Greater Toronto area. So I'm actually looking for detached or semi-detached houses in Oshawa. So I'll give you a little bit idea of GTA map. So Oshawa is under Durham region, which is east part of Toronto, and it takes almost 45 minutes to 1 hour from downtown Toronto to reach Oshawa. So as my husband works nearby, and I thought the prices are a little cheaper of houses, like detached houses or semi-detached compared to any other part of Toronto. So that's why we are looking for some options in Oshawa. And I think we already been 3 days to see some houses. Some of them were good condition, we really liked, but some of them was like very horrible. So yeah, it's been such a, I will say, great experience so far. So that's why I just wanted to give you guys an update. Please let me know if you have any questions about the housing market in GTA or anything like that. I'll try to cover as much as I can. So my plan is to make a series of vlogs and give you guys a little bit clear picture what you need to do, how this house buying process goes. It may be an apartment, townhouse, doesn't matter, but the process is more or less is the same. So that's the idea, and I'll try to give you guys as much details as I can from the process, like whether you need a realtor or not, the documents you might need, how will you set up an appointment to go and view these houses, because due to COVID-19 there has been lots of precautions they need to take, and as a result the regulations has been a little bit changed. So you need to take prior appointments, and no other people can be on the same house while you are going there, so things like that, and then again sanitizing your hands. So yeah, it's been a very different experience, I will say, but the situation is in Oshawa, I guess the demand is very high right now compared to the market of like supply, so the prices are rising crazy. And to be honest, I didn't had that idea when I went to see the first few houses, because I knew that Mississauga, Brampton, even downtown Toronto, North York, all these areas are already expensive. So that's why I wanted to see the eastern part of GTA, mainly Ajax, Whitby and Oshawa, mainly the Durham region. But when we went to view these houses, we saw that there are already lots of buyers like us in the market, and every house has going to a bidding war. So maybe they are listing the price or less compared to the market price, and as a result many buyers are being interested to that particular home, and they are getting lots of offer. And so what's this bidding war means? Like, suppose if I want to buy that house and they are suppose going for a certain number, let's take it 500,000 they are going for, but they have put the market price less than 500, like maybe they have put that house price around 400. So lots of people are interested in that house, so I will put my offer maybe around 500,000, that I think according to the market value that's kind of reasonable. And another person comes and he or she gives the offer of 550, so they will get that property. but the problem is you will nowhere know what the other people are offering. So it's kind of like a casing game, I will say, and it's been a challenge. We have already placed 3 offers so far and we haven't got any. One property, the final bidding went up to more than 150,000. So that was like beyond our imagination, that this market is so crazy right now and things are going so fast. Maybe the house is on the market for only one day and there is already 25 people have already seen the house, they have received lots of offers. So yeah, it's kind of like very competitive right now, but we'll see how it goes, and I'll try to give you guys different aspect, how you need to be prepared, what kind of down payment you need to have, what kind of legal documents you need to have to go into this market. And yeah, so I think that will be my next series for all this house hunting, and I'll try to give you tips and tricks also how you can get your choice of property while you are in a bidding war. So if you guys have any suggestion or you want me to cover a specific topic, please let me know in the comment. I'll try to make a video on that as well. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please motivate me to make more videos like this. Love you. Take care. Bye bye.